Today we're going to be reacting to the trailer for the new Lord of the Rings TV series. I didn't react to the teaser trailer. I don't know, I just didn't. Did I start with the channel when that came out? I think so, but I don't know. I just didn't for some reason. But yeah. So we got a new trailer, Comic-Con trailer. It looks interesting so far. It's gonna be about the Second Age, where there was Sauron was doing this thing, but just they know from the lore. But yes, it was a long while ago, and then Galadriel was much younger, and we won't see was Gandalf there. No, I don't think Gandalf is in there too. So it's gonna be the new characters. Not gonna be a lot of people we saw from the movies. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be watching it when it comes out on Amazon Prime. I'm looking forward to it. I hope they do justice. Peter Jackson did a great job with the movies. I mean, they're putting a lot of money and time into this series, and just hope they do justice. I don't know. Faith. Yeah, but enough said. I'm gonna keep these short and sweet. Let's go.
We thought the war, at last, was ended.
Okay, this picks up after
Today,
the war between men
our
and
days
men
of peace
or Sauron
begin.
between
We
the
thought
war
our
of men and
joy
elves
would be
against
unending.
Sauron,
We thought our light
or is that
would
against
never dim.
Melkor?
The skies are strange.
It is here, Galadriel. The moment we feared.
Evil does not sleep. It waits.
Bad boy Sauron.
Beyond the darkness, tempting shadow to bury us all beneath the mountain.
He has not one name, but many.
Have you heard of him, lad? Have you heard of Sauron?
Oh, nice. What's that supposed to be?
If the evil rising is left unchecked, it will take us all. Find the light, and the shadow will not find you. Together we can survive this! Fight with me.
Each of us must decide who we shall be.
It looks very good.
There can be no trust between hammer and rock.
Put a lot of work into
Eventually, one or
this.
the other must surely break.
Sauron looks too evil for me.
You have been told many lies of Middle-earth.
Oh, nice. Let him a second. Okay. Oh. Oh, a Balrog. Ah, we're in a Balrog. Cool. Okay, so... Oh, it's interesting. I think I got something lower on earlier, but never mind. Can't bother. I'm sure. Like I've only read those the appendices. I've only read it like once or twice, and the Cimmerian. I didn't finish it, but I plan to finish it one day. So most of what I remember is from like Spotty and all that. But so I won't attempt to read any of this stuff again before this comes out. I just but I'm watching it, I just be able to like recognize one or two names. I'm like, oh yeah, I know Sauron because it's supposed to look he's supposed to be someone that you're shocked that he's evil. He's supposed to be someone that can charm. I think this is in the age where Numenor is still um, a bastion for men. They're still dominant. Numenor is still powerful. I think that's supposed to be in this time. Could be wrong, but yeah. So and in Sauron causes the downfall there because he is someone who can, he's a shapeshifter. He can sweet talk them, but he's supposed to look approachable. That guy doesn't look approachable. It looks kind. You can tell something's off with him. I don't know. So we'll see how it works. I don't know what they're gonna do with that. So but yeah. So that's my thoughts there. Galadriel being a boss. But let's see. It's new characters and all that. Yeah. So I have context for it, and I could get more context, but I won't. It's gonna be much better that way. So I won't be in the mindset of, oh, why are they doing this way? No, they should not have done that. They should have done it this way and all that, because they're definitely gonna take some creative license with this. And so I don't want to be upset by that while watching. If I'm gonna be upset, it's gonna be later after when I reread all the stuff. And then I'm like, why did they do that? But even then, like I think probably what they're talking about, it was just like notes and stuff. So they have it's just like they're like this king who don't know what to, and then he had a fight or whatever, and bam bam boom, he had this son, and or there was in 1521 of the second age, there was this battle between this kingdom of men and the elves or whatever, like sort of stuff. That's what I remember from the appendices and stuff. Like there isn't like they have a lot of space where they can take creative liberty and do stuff with it. So I prefer to give them that creative license with it. Sorry, it's up for me to give them that freedom to express themselves as long as it doesn't feel out of the bounds of what Tolkien would do. Because all things must come back to the center. It must reflect the spirit of Tolkien. It must not be too outside of the realms of that. So if it's like I don't know, this feels against the spirit of the existing literature, the existing franchise, then that's gonna be bad. Hopefully they don't do that, but I have so I guess good job, hopefully. Yeah, so looking forward to this. Gonna be reacting to this series when it comes out in September. Definitely gonna be a week-to-week reaction. Yeah, just have to finish up. I'm just finishing up. I spent some time finishing up some series that's in the back, and then so definitely by the time this comes out, I should be reacting live to it. I'm gonna be reacting live to some series that's coming out soon. series or two. I'm not sure. Yeah, so yeah, definitely gonna be doing some live reactions, not live, but recorded, whatever. You know what I mean. Yeah. So that's the plans, and looking forward to it. Okay, that's all I have for now.